Have you ever asked Claude to build an application, fix a bug, or generate an API, only to get a response that felt generic or incomplete? The problem usually isn't Claude. It's the prompt you're giving it. Most developers open Claude and type something like, "Build me a login page, fix this bug, or create a database." Claude will generate something, but because it doesn't have enough context, the output is usually average. It doesn't know your project, your coding standards, your architecture, or your long-term goals. The difference between an average developer and someone who gets incredible results from AI often comes down to one thing: better prompts. Instead of asking Claude a simple question, you give it a role, explain your project, define your requirements, add constraints, and ask it to explain its decisions. Suddenly, Claude starts thinking like a senior software engineer instead of just a chatbot. That's exactly why I created this handbook. This is the developer's Claude Prompt Playbook. It's a completely free handbook containing 25 production-ready Claude prompt templates designed specifically for software developers. Instead of writing prompts from scratch every single time, you simply copy one of these templates, replace a few placeholders with your own project details, and Claude does the rest. The handbook is divided into multiple engineering domains, so no matter what stage of development you're in, you'll find a prompt that helps. The first section focuses on planning and architecture. Before writing a single line of code, Claude can help you choose the right technology stack, design your application's architecture, create a scalable folder structure, design PostgreSQL databases, and even generate production-ready REST and GraphQL API designs. This helps you avoid making expensive architectural mistakes early in development. The next section focuses on debugging, and honestly, this is the section I use the most. Instead of simply asking Claude to fix an error, these prompts guide it to identify the actual root cause, explain why the problem happened, compare different solutions, and recommend the best approach. Whether you're working with React, Next.js, Flutter, Node.js, or SQL, these prompts help Claude think through the problem like an experienced engineer instead of just suggesting random fixes. The handbook also includes prompts for production code reviews, security analysis, authentication systems, Docker, CI/CD pipelines, documentation, Git commit messages, pull request descriptions, performance optimization, and even planning an entire SaaS application from idea to deployment. One thing I really wanted to include was something practical. At the end of the handbook, you'll find a summary showing approximately how much time each prompt can save. Some prompts can save 1 to 3 hours on common development tasks, while others can save even more when you're designing system architecture, reviewing large code bases, debugging production issues, or generating complete project structures. The exact time savings will obviously depend on your project and experience level, but the goal is simple: spend less time repeating the same work and more time building great software. Whether you're a student learning development, a freelancer building client projects, an indie hacker launching products, or a professional software engineer, these prompt templates are designed to become a reusable toolkit that you'll come back to again and again. And the best part is that the entire handbook is completely free. If you'd like to download your own copy of the developer's Claude Prompt Playbook, you'll find the download link as the first link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this handbook with another developer who uses Claude. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.